Hello, quick unboxing. This time it's for the BeQuiet SFX L power supply. This is the 600 watt model. This is the SFX form factor. So we'll just get it open and have a look. That's the sticker off. That, which is in a little bag, that's an adapter to make it ATX size. There's a little tiny manual. Not sure how useful that's going to be. It has connectivity and cable length, so it's got a bit of data in it, dimensions, that kind of thing. There's a UK mains power lead. And there's that's got 3 SATA on it, so we've got 3 SATA so far. That looks like a CPU power connector, but it's not labelled, but it could be, yeah, I think that's the CPU one, because you've got two 4 pins there to make 8. That's PCI Express, that is labelled PCI Express 1 cable, it's dual cable, look. And then that's the main ATX one. And then in here there's a 2-pin power cable, so you get both power cables with it. There's another PCI Express connector there. That is 3 molecs. And another one with 3 more SATA on. And there's a little bag of screws, mounting screws, and there's another set of screws there, which are the smaller ones, which presumably are for mounting that. And then here's the power supply itself, nothing else in the box, so we'll get the box out of the way. Here's the actual power supply, and you can see it's teeny tiny, which is quite funky seeing it's 600 watts. So that's the actual power supply itself. It's extremely compact because it's the SFX form factor, fully modular, as you can see from there. Right, so for comparison, this is an ATX power supply. So the fan is very similar size, 120mm fan, but obviously the power supply itself is significantly smaller, both in all directions, both in terms of the height of it, which is obviously a lot thinner, and the general dimensions are smaller. So this is designed to go into a more compact case, which I'm going to be using for a build that I'm doing for a customer. So if you've got any questions about this, then stick them in the comments. All comments are read, appreciated. If you found this video useful because you were looking to maybe get one of these, then buy me a coffee, that'd be helpful. Liking and subscribing is also appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching.